So today I'll be showing you how to factory reset your JBL Flip 7. So this is a hard reset, but it's basically the only way to factory reset your Flip 7. So what you want to do is press and hold the play and volume up buttons simultaneously for about 2 seconds. So press and hold for about 2 seconds. You're going to hear a sound. All the lights will come on momentarily and then all the lights will go off. And that's how you know you've successfully factory reset your Flip 7. So play button, volume up, press and hold. You hear that sound, you know you've successfully factory reset. It's literally that simple. The other way to confirm is to turn it on. It should go into Bluetooth pairing mode immediately. Okay, so you can see it's in pairing mode. That means our factory reset was successful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.